Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Surrounded by Reiki and Light. This week we have the animal totem for this week, which is the elephant for the week from the 25th November to the 1st of December. The powers that the elephant is offering are strength, patience, and confidence. The wisdom that the elephant is offering is magnanimity, compassion, and empathy, recover historic memory, connection with ancient wisdom, erasing obstacles and walls, and know how to make the most of educative opportunities. Now, which is the advice of the elephant for this week? Appearance can cheat. Appearance cannot be as they seem. Around you, there are a lot of people that can teach you wonderful things that you ever could imagine. Open yourself to receive unexpected gifts, living more, if you want, like living more. How can I say this? You could you could um, open yourself to receive unexpected gifts from those that are surrounding you that you don't know 100%. So be get ready to receive unexpected gifts, unexpected knowledge, and so on. I hope this can help you out. Thank you.